Vitesy Shelfy 2 Smart Fridge Purifier. Does it deliver on longevity? Many households face the same problem: food spoiling before it's eaten. Whether it's forgotten produce, neglected leftovers, or the inevitable decay of fresh ingredients, food waste is a common reality. The Vitesy Shelfy 2, a compact fridge purifier, promises to tackle this issue head-on by extending the shelf life of fruits, vegetables, and reducing unpleasant odors. After 6 weeks of testing, the device proves effective at odor control. But its impact on produce longevity is less dramatic than advertised. How the Shelfy 2 works. A deep dive into photocatalysis, the Shelfy 2 employs photocatalysis, a chemical reaction using blue LED light and a specialized ceramic filter to eliminate ethylene gas, which accelerates decay, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and bacteria. This process, similar to photosynthesis, aims to purify the air inside your refrigerator. Vitesy claims the Shelfy 2 can reduce microbial load by 99% within 10 minutes, citing lab tests showing a significant reduction in post-harvest decay. The device draws air through the filter, exposing it to the LEDs, effectively cleansing it before recirculation. However, the differences between the original Shelfy and the Shelfy 2 are unclear. Despite Vitesy's claims of upgraded technology and faster charging, performance tests showed no discernible difference between the two models. The company's documentation on specific technological improvements remains vague, making it difficult to justify the upgrade for existing Shelfy owners. Real-world performance. Odor control excels, produce longevity is mixed in practical testing. The Shelfy 2 excelled at eliminating fridge odors. Strong smells from fish, onions, and sauces were effectively neutralized, preventing them from tainting other foods. This feature alone makes the device valuable for households sensitive to lingering odors. However, the impact on produce longevity was less impressive. While some loose greens and herbs lasted slightly longer due to the fan's drying effect, packaged items showed no significant improvement. A test with apples yielded minimal differences between Shelfy-equipped and non-equipped crisper drawers. The device's effectiveness appears limited to preventing immediate spoilage rather than dramatically extending shelf life. Battery life and usability. A recurring hassle, the Shelfy 2 operates on a rechargeable battery, with runtime varying based on the mode. Standard crisper mode lasts around 2 weeks, while Eco mode extends it slightly, but performance mode drains the battery in just a few days. The frequent need to recharge, often triggering app notifications, can become tedious, especially for households with multiple smart devices. The device charges via USB-C, but the constant maintenance detracts from its convenience. The verdict: a useful tool, not a miracle cure. The Vitesy Shelfy 2 is a competent fridge purifier that effectively eliminates odors. Its photocatalysis technology shows promise, but the tangible benefits for produce longevity remain modest. At $150, the device may not justify its cost for those seeking a dramatic solution to food waste. The need for frequent charging adds another layer of inconvenience. Ultimately, the Shelfy 2 is a helpful tool for maintaining a fresher-smelling fridge, but it won't magically prevent forgotten produce from ending up in the freezer.